Income tax, multiple choice questions. For departmental exam, in-service exams, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET, degree PG level exams and various other exams. Income Tax Act 1961. Question. RS, a chartered accountant, is employed with GK Limited as an internal auditor and requests the employer to call the remuneration as internal audit fee. RS shall be chargeable to tax for such fee under the head dash. Answer. Income from salaries. Question. Raju is working for a private firm. He borrowed a loan for rupees 3 lakh for his sister's wedding as an advance against salary. This amount will be taxed under the head. Answer. Not taxable. Option A, salaries. Option B, business income. Option C, other sources. Option D, not taxable. Correct answer, option D, not taxable. Not taxable. Question number, the next question. Salary of Mathan, rupees 18,000 becomes due on the last day of every month, but it is paid on the 7th of the following month during the previous year 2023-2024. In March 2024, he received salary of April 2024 and May 2024 as advance. What is his salary for the previous year 2023-24? Answer. 2,52,000. Question. Salary is taxable on option A, receipt basis, option B, due basis, option C, due or receipt basis, whichever is earlier, D, due or receipt basis, whichever is later. Correct answer, option C, due or receipt basis, whichever is earlier. Question. Commission received by the director of the company is charged under the head dash. Answer. Salaries. I repeat answer, salaries. Question. Salary paid to MLAs and MPs are charged under the head dash. Answer, option A, salaries. Option B, business income. Option C, other sources. Option D, it's exempt from tax. Correct answer, option C, other sources. Question. Salary received by the partner of a firm is charged under the head dash. Answer, business income. Question. Which of the following is not true about charging income under the head salaries? Option A, salary comprises only of monetary benefits. Option B, there should be employer and employee relationship. Option C, employment should be full time. Option D, both A and C. Correct answer, both A and C. That is, salary comprises only of monetary benefits and there should be employer and employee relationship. Question. The government of India announced increase in DA on 15/8/2023 with retrospective effect from 1/6/2021 and the same were paid on 16/12/2023. The arrears of DA shall be taxable in the previous year dash. Answer. 2023-24. I repeat, correct answer, option B, 2023-24. Then question. Salary of said becomes due on 1st of next month and it is paid on 7th of that next month. For assessment year 2024-25, the salary of said shall be taken from answer April 2024 to March 2024. I repeat, question number 7. Salary of said become due on 1st of next month and it is paid on 7th of that next month. For assessment year 2024-25, the salary of said shall be taken from April 2024 to March 2025. Question. Salary of D is rupees 1000 per month. D had taken salary in advance for the month of April 2024 to June 2024 in March 2024 itself. The gross salary of D for assessment year 2024-25 shall be dash. Answer 1,50,000. Question. SR is employed with G Limited at the salary of rupees 20,000 per month. As G Limited was in financial crisis, it paid the salary of January 2024 to March 2024 to SR only in July 2024. The gross salary of SR for assessment year 2024-25 shall be answer 2,40,000. Answer 2,40,000. Then next question. SM who is entitled to a salary of rupees 20,000 per month took advance salary from the employer for the month of April and May 2024 along with salary of March 2024 on 31st March 2024. The gross salary of SM for assessment year 2024-25 is answer 2,80,000. 2,80,000. The next question. KS who is entitled to a salary of rupees 20,000 per month took an advance of rupees 50,000 against the salary in the month of March 2024. The gross salary of KS for assessment year 2024-25 shall be answer 2,40,000. Question. Mahendra Limited pays a salary of rupees 2,50,000 to his employee Vasu and undertakes to pay the income tax amounting to rupees 10,300 during the previous year 2023-24 on behalf of Vasu. The gross salary of Vasu shall be answer 2,60,300. 2,60,300. Then question. For government employees, the period of chargeability of salary is from answer March to February. 17. Arrears of pension is taxable on answer due basis. Question. For a government employee, the entire gratuity received is exempt. Option A on his death. Option B on his retirement. Option C both A and B. Option D only if covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act. Correct answer both A and B, that is on his death and on his retirement. Question number 19. The notified amount of gratuity that is exempt. Next question. The notified amount of gratuity that is exempt. Answer 20 lakh. I repeat question. The notified amount of gratuity that is exempt. Answer 20 lakh. The next question. Where an individual receives retirement gratuity from more than one employer, he can claim exemption. Answer in respect of both of them. Maximum amount not exceeding 20 lakh both put together. Next question. Gratuity received during the period of service is answer fully taxable. Question. Gratuity shall be fully exempt in the case of answer central and state government employees and employees of local authorities. Question. An employee is covered under payment of gratuity at 1972. Salary for the purpose of calculating 15 days salary for each completed year of service shall be answer last drawn salary. Answer last drawn salary. Next question. An employee is covered under payment of gratuity at 1972. His salary shall include, answer, include dearness allowance. Question. An employee is covered under payment of gratuity at 1972 if the employee has completed services of 16 years, 6 months and 5 days. The number of completed years shall be taken as, answer, 17 years, 17 years. Next question. An employee is covered under payment of gratuity at 1972 if he has completed exactly 16 years and 6 months. The completed years shall be, answer, 16 years. Question. An employee is covered under payment of gratuity at 1972 for the purpose of computing 15 days salary. The number of days in a month shall be taken as, answer, 26 days to 6 days. Question. An employee is covered under payment of gratuity at 1972. The maximum exemption for gratuity shall be, answer, 20 lakh, 20 lakh. Question. An employee is neither a government employee nor covered under payment of gratuity at 1972. Salary for purpose of calculating gratuity based on half-month salary shall be taken as, answer, average salary of 10 months preceding the month of retirement. Next question. An employee is neither a government employee nor covered under payment of gratuity act 1972. Salary for the above purpose, answer, shall include dearness allowance to the extent the term of employment so provide. I repeat, answer, shall include dearness allowance to the extent the terms of employment so provide. Question. An employee is neither a government employee nor covered under payment of gratuity at 1972 if the employee has completed 16 years and 8 months of service. The number of completed year is, answer, 16 years. 16 years. Question. An employee is neither a government employee nor covered under payment of gratuity at 1972. The maximum exemption gratuity shall be, answer, 20 lakh. Question. A. Who claimed the exemption of gratuity in the past to the extent of rupees 9,50,000 was entitled to gratuity from the present second employer amounting to rupees 15 lakh in the previous year 2023-24. A shall be entitled to exemption to the maximum extent of, answer, 11,50,000. Next question. B worked with a previous employer for 3 years but was not entitled to any gratuity. He worked with the present employer for 8 years and 7 months. The completed years of service for calculating exemption of gratuity shall be taken as, answer, 11 years. Next question. For the purpose of calculating exemption of gratuity, salary shall include, answer, commission if it is a fixed percentage on turnover. Question. Uncommuted pension received by a government employee is dash, answer, taxable. Commuted pension received shall be fully exempt in case of, answer, government employee or an employee of local authority or an employee of statutory corporation. Next question. An employee who was also entitled to gratuity got 60% of his pension commuted and received a sum of rupees 1,20,000 as commuted pension. The exemption is, answer, 66,664. 66,664. Question. Mr. Suresh retired on 31st March 2023 receiving rupees 20,000 per month as pension. On 1/11/2023, he commuted 60% of his pension and received 10 lakh as commuted pension. what is the value of uncommuted pension for the year 2023-24? Answer 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Question. For the non-government employee who is in receipt of gratuity, commuted pension is, answer, exempt up to 1/3 of full value of pension he is entitled to receive. Then next question. Commuted pension is exempt for, answer, government employees. Next question. Uncommuted pension is taxable for, option A, government employees. Option B, non-government employees who is in receipt of gratuity. Option C, non-government employee who is not in receipt of gratuity. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. The next question. Encashment of leave salary at the time of retirement is fully exempt in the case of, option A, central government employee. Option B, state government employee. Option C, both central and state government employees. Option D, government employee and employee of local authority. Correct answer, option C, both central and state government employees. Next question. Which of the following incomes will be included in the meaning of salary for encashment of leave salary to other employees? Answer, dearness allowance to the extent the terms of employment so provide. I repeat, question, which of the following incomes will be included in the meaning of salary for encashment of leave salary to other employees? Option A, DA. Option B, dearness allowance to the extent the terms of employment so provide. Option C, bonus. Option D, taxable allowance. Correct answer, option B, dearness allowance to the Correct answer, option B, dearness allowance to the extent the terms of employment so provide. Dearness allowance to the extent the terms of employment so provide. Next question. Salary for the purpose of exemption of leave encashment shall be taken as dash. Answer, average salary of 10 months immediately preceding the month of retirement. Question. The maximum exemption in case of leave encashment shall be, answer, 25 lakh. Then question. Next question. Compensation received on voluntary retirement is exempt under section 10 subsection 10C to the maximum extent of dash. Answer, 5 lakh. Question. An employee availed the exemption of VRS of 1 lakh in the past. He received from the second employer a sum of rupees 2,50,000 as VRS compensation. He will be entitled to exemption to the extent of, answer, nil. Question. Which of the following payments can be received by an employee only once in a lifetime? Answer, VRS compensation. Question. Compute the taxable value of retrenchment received in the following case. Completed years of service, 25 years, completed years of service, 25 years and 8 months. Salary, rupees 15,000 per month, 15,000 per month. Retrenchment compensation received, 12 lakh. 12 lakh. Retrenchment compensation received, 12 lakh. Correct answer, 10 lakh 5,000. Question. Which of the following payment is not eligible for relief under section 89? Option A, arrears of salary. Option B, taxable value of commuted pension. Option C, VRS compensation. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, VRS compensation. Question. If rent is paid for a house situated in Mumbai, the HRA shall be exempt to the maximum extent of dash, 50% of salary. 50% of salary. Question. Which of the following is not included in the meaning of salary for exemption of HRA? Option A, advance salary. Option B, arrears of salary. Option C, bonus. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Next question. Srija has twin sons and a daughter. She receives education allowance of rupees 25,000 per annum. What is the taxable amount? Answer, 22,600. Next question. Ram travels 10 kilometers every day to reach his office. He spends rupees 4,000 per month for traveling to his office. He receives a transport allowance of rupees 4,000 per month. What is the taxable amount? Answer, 48,000. 48,000. The next question. Shubha is employed in a company in Coimbatore on 1/4/2023. Her parents reside in Chennai. They have a house property in Coimbatore. Shubha pays rent to her parents. On 1/12/2023, she joins a new company in Mumbai. Is Shubha eligible for HRA? Answer, yes. In both cases on monthly basis, claiming exemption for Coimbatore at 40%, for 0%, and Mumbai at 50%, 50%. Next question. Kirtana resides in Chennai and earns a basic salary of rupees 20,000 per month. She receives DA of rupees 24,000 per annum. She also receives HRA at rupees 5,000 per month. During the previous year 2023-24, she rents a house for rupees 7,000 per month. She stays with her friend during the month of April and May, and from June she moves to the rented house. Calculate her taxable HRA. Answer, rupees 2,000. Next question. B is entitled to hostel expenditure allowance of rupees 600 per month for his 3 children at rupees 200 per child. The exemption on this case shall be, answer, rupees 400 per month. Question. D is entitled to rupees 6,000 as medical allowance. He spends rupees 4,000 on his medical treatment and rupees 1,000 on the medical treatment of his major son not dependent on him. The exemption in this case shall be dash. Answer, option A, rupees 4,000. Option B, rupees 5,000. Option C, nil. Correct answer, option C, nil. Next question. Entertainment allowance in case of government employee is, answer, first included fully in gross salary and thereafter deduction allowed from gross salary under section 16 subsection 2, Roman letter 2. I repeat, first included fully in gross salary and thereafter deduction allowed from gross salary under section 16 subsection 2 Roman letter 2. Next question. During the previous year, the employee was reimbursed rupees 24,000 as medical expenses incurred by him, which include rupees 7,000 spent in government hospital. The taxable perquisite in this case shall be, answer, rupees 17,000, 17,000. The next question. Mrs. C, wife of C, who is employed in G Limited, went for bypass surgery in England along with her husband. Expenses on medical treatment of wife and stay outside India of wife and C amounted to rupees 7 lakh as against 6,50,000 permitted by RBI. The travel expenses amounted to rupees 1,50,000. All expenses were reimbursed by the employer. Assume the gross salary and income from other sources of the employee are rupees 1,40,000 and rupees 40,000 respectively. The taxable perquisites in this case shall be answer 2 lakh. The next question. Leave travel concession is a tax-free perquisite for dash. Answer choice in a block of 4 calendar years. Next question. Mr. Dian avails the benefit of LTC and went by air economy class on a holiday in India on 25/1/2024 along with his wife and 3 children consisting of son aged 4 years and twin daughters of 1 year age. Total cost of tickets reimbursed by his employer was rupees 90,000. That is 60,000 for 2 adults and 30,000 for the 3 children. What is the amount which can be claimed by Mr. Divyam out of the reimbursement as not subject to tax? Answer rupees 90,000. Next question. In the above question, what will be the exempted amount if the twins were born first and the son was born later? Answer, correct answer, 80,000. 80,000. Next question. Salary of employee is rupees 2 lakh. Fair rent of the unfurnished house given to employee in an area with the population greater than 25 lakh is rupees 1,30,000. 130,000. The valuation of the perquisites of the house if he is a government employee is dash. Answer, license fee determined by the government. The next question. Salary of employee is rupees 5 lakh. Fair rent of the unfurnished house given to employee in an area with the population greater than 25 lakh is rupees 1,30,000. The valuation of the perquisite of the house if he is a non-government employee is dash. Answer, 75,000. Rupees 75,000. Then next question. Employee is provided with furniture costing rupees 1,50,000 along with house with the effect from 1/4/2023. The value of the furniture to be included in the valuation of unfurnished house shall be dash. Answer, 15,000. 15,000. Next question. K is an employee of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. He is provided with free gas for his personal purposes by the employer. The value of this perquisite shall be dash. Answer, manufacturing cost per unit. Next question. M owns a house in which he lives. His employer reimburses to him the electricity bill amounting to rupees 5,000. It shall be a perquisite for dash. Answer, option A, specified employee only. Option B, employee other than specified employees. Option C, both specified and other employees. Correct answer, both specified and other employees. Next question. An employer provides free facility of gas. An employer provides free facility of gas, electricity, etc. to his employee, which he uses partly for official and partly for his personal purposes. The actual amount spent by employer is rupees 10,000 and the salary of the employee is 2 lakh. The valuation of this perquisite shall be dash. Answer, proportionate amount for personal use. The next question. An employer provides free facility of watchman, sweeper and gardener to his employees. It will be a perquisite for dash. It will be a perquisite for dash. Answer, specified employee only. Next question. Gardener, sweeper and watchman are employed by the employee but their salary of rupees 500 per month per person is paid by the employer. The valuation of this perquisite shall be dash. Answer, 18,000. 18,000. Then next question. Next question. Employer's contribution to statutory provident fund shall be dash. Answer. Fully exempt. Question. Interest credited to statutory provident fund shall be. Answer. Fully exempt. Next question. Employer's contribution to recognized provident fund shall be dash. Answer. Exempt up to 12% of salary. Question. Interest credited to recognized provident fund is dash. Answer. Exempt up to 9.5% per annum. Question. Employer's contribution to unorganized provident fund shall be dash. Answer. Neither exempt nor taxable in the years of contribution. Question. Interest on employer's contribution credited to unrecognized provident fund is dash. Answer. Neither exempt nor taxable in the year of accrual. Question. Employees assesses own contribution to statutory provident fund or recognized provident fund or public provident fund shall be subject to dash. Answer. Deduction under section 80C. Question. Employees' contribution to unorganized provident fund shall be eligible for dash. Answer. Nil deduction. Question. Payment from statutory provident fund and PPF is dash. Answer. Fully exempt. Question. Payment from recognized provident fund after 5 years of service shall be. Answer. Fully exempt. Question. Payment from recognized provident fund before 5 years of service shall be dash. Answer. Be treated as if the fund was unrecognized right from beginning. Question. Payment from unrecognized provident fund shall be. Answer. Answer option A, fully taxable. Option B, fully exempt. Option C, taxable to the extent of employer's contribution and interest thereon. Option D, same as C and interest from same as C, that is taxable to the extent of employee's contribution and interest thereon, and same as this, and interest from employee's contribution shall be taxable under the head other sources. Question. The year in which unrecognized provident fund is converted to a recognized provident fund. Answer. It will be assumed as if the provident fund was recognized right from beginning and excess amount of employer's contribution and interest thereon shall be chargeable to tax. Question. Q is provided with a rent-free accommodation owned by his employer in Delhi. Population greater than 25 lakhs. The value of this perquisite shall be. Answer. 15% of salary. 15% of salary. Question. Q is provided with interest-free loan by the employer for purchase of a house, car. Value of this perquisite shall be determined as the sum equal to dash. Answer. Simple interest computed at the rate charged by SBI on the first day of relevant previous year on the maximum outstanding monthly balance. The next question. The employer has given a laptop computer for the personal use of the employee. The value of this perquisite shall be. Answer. Nil. The next question. The employer had purchased a car for rupees 3 lakh, which was being used for official purposes. After 2 years, 6 months of its use, the car is sold to S, the employee, for rupees 1,20,000. The value of this perquisite shall be dash. Answer. 72,000. Question. Neelam Limited has given a laptop computer owned by it for the personal use of its employee Sparsh. The value of this perquisite shall be dash. Answer nil. Question. For an employee in receipt of hostel expenditure allowance for his 3 children, the maximum annual exempt under section 10 subsection 14 is dash. Answer rupees 7,200. Question. Where an employer at his option has paid income tax on non-monetary perquisites of any employee, the income tax so paid by the employer is a taxable perquisite in the hands of the employee. Answer false.